So this video is about the role of auxin in cell elongation. You can see in this model here that the beans represent the auxin molecules, and remember that auxin molecules are produced in the tip of shoots and roots, and in this case we're looking at the tip of the shoot. And what happens next is these auxin molecules will diffuse down the stem through diffusion. So you can see that all these beads are able to move down towards the elongation zone. In this area now, the cells will stretch. So overall, the stem will eventually elongate upwards like this. What do you think will happen if I take away the tip of this shoot? So if I were to remove the tip like so, now this shoot does not have the tip. As you can see, normal auxin molecule can diffuse to the elongation zone. Therefore, this stem can no longer elongate. Now what if I put back the shoot tip, but instead I put a piece of metal in between like so? So while this tip has been placed back onto the stem, you can see that the auxin molecules, these seeds, cannot pass through this piece of metal. So there's no cell elongation that can happen for this stem. Now, what if I took this away and I place a piece of agar block that has auxin inside it? The agar block is permeable. That means materials can diffuse through it. In this case, these auxin molecules may diffuse past the agar block and continue their journey to the elongation area of the stem. Since the auxin molecules are now in the elongation zone, this area can now elongate. So stem elongation does happen here as the auxin molecules have made their way to the elongation zone.